Good morning. Has anybody seen my pencil? I know it's around here somewhere. Here it is. Oh no, that's just my square. Maybe it's over here on the table. Nope. Let me circle around. Go to the left side. Maybe I left it over here on the bandsaw. Nope, not there either. Oh well, I'll give up. I'm just gonna put the square right here so I forget where it's at. And start welding without my welding jacket.
Step 1, wake up early, gon' rise the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this, call it replication.
Right. So I got to do the uprights for the side supports of the windows. I got to figure out how wide I want to build them and exactly where I want to position them to minimize any blind spots. And then I've got to do the roof support, like I've said 100 times, and then the frame will be done.
What are you recording me for? I didn't do it.
That's obvious.
So I need to, I've got enough material in here to cut the uprights for this. Okay. I need 4 uprights, should be 14 3/4.
That's how you operate a cadence, a flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Step 1, wake up early, gon' rise the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
First thing you gotta do is get rid of those Gorilla Gloves. And none of y'all even let me know in the comments what you did, because you knew I was better than you. It's our sawhorse. Perfect. Yeah, there they are. Weed eating the neighbor's driveway. Awfully nice of them. Maybe they'll step off in the yard next. Yeah, it's not going to line up perfectly with the lower supports. Okay. But I'm not worried about that. I'm trying to make sure that the roof is square up enough that we're not going to have too many issues. Okay. cross supports here.
Yeah.
And then we might end up doing, not might, we need to do this, these 4 braces like what I have here in the middle.
Yeah.
We'll have to do that so the two pieces have a seam to land on. You know what I mean? And then I have to cut this piece here. And then a 4-foot piece right there for where the sheet is. Yeah. Right where we left it. What? Then, because the other one is just like falling through, like I'm sitting there, I'm having to, if I'm doing something, I have to run back over and catch it while it's coming down on me. Like it? Yeah. Oh! You'll get your gloves on. It was like, oh my goodness, that was funny. Oh, jeez. All right, you good? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. It went right through the finger. It's like, woo! Got him. That was so funny. I know you didn't think so, but oh, it's like, come on. Dude, I remember that time that he got me the other day. Yeah, I went back. Yeah. And I was like, oh, now he knows. This thing's gonna be killer.
Yeah.
That just made it a whole different thing. Like you feel like you're walking into something now. I wish I had some half-inch marker on the bottom. Well, those will be different on the outside edges. Alright, so 21 and hope it's right. Oh, from the start part. But yeah. See how much the difference that 4-degree cut makes? Crazy, huh? Yeah. All right, weld her up. Oh wait, just me. All right, Anthony, let me see some pull-ups. No, don't do it, it'll break.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Alright, maybe tomorrow?
Maybe tomorrow.
Alright. Okay, so we're gonna put the Murphy bed right here. And when we're ready to hunt, we'll fold it up and we'll have our windows.
We're gonna put the Murphy bed right here.
Oh, that's right. Oh, yeah.
So we can lay in bed and hunt.
Yes. What do you guys think? Looking pretty good so far, huh?
So the frame is done. We gotta do some finish welding on some of it. And then we're gonna be calling around trying to get some pricing on sheeting so we can start closing this thing in.
Yeah.
Hopefully sheets haven't skyrocketed in the last week. But as of right now, as long as the pricing's not too ridiculous, next step is gonna be 1/2-inch ply on the floors, some thin gauge metal sheeting on the walls. I think we're gonna do plywood on the roof, or are we gonna, I don't know. We don't know yet.
See.
It's either gonna be plywood or metal on the roof. Basically like what they'd use on an enclosed trailer or something like that is what we're thinking. If all goes to plan.
Yes.
Yeah. So we still gotta build a door.
Build a door, build a couple windows.
We're gonna build the 2 front windows. We have some rubber roofing, like what they use on campers. That's what's gonna go over the top of the roof. So that doesn't much matter whether it's plywood or metal, because it's just gonna get the rubber over the top of that anyways. The floor is gonna get a rubber mat, and then the walls, if we get to do the sheet, it's probably gonna be vinyl wrapped with a camo wrap. If we go plywood on the walls, because sheets have gone up too much, then they're just gonna be painted.
Yep.
But that's where we're at.
Okay.
So thank you guys for watching another video with us. Hit the like and subscribe button, hit the notification so you'll be ready for when part 3 comes out. The way this is looking, I think we're in for like a 10-part,
Hey, maybe.
10-part 2-year series. No,
Yes.
no, it'll be done soon. So thank you guys. We'll see you next time.
Appreciate it.